That's a big chicken. All right, here we are. It's finally got us a monsoon rainstorm. Look at here. Cloudy, rain's coming down. Water's going in the rain barrel. Look over here. Nice blue sky. It's been a pretty dry monsoon this year, and we finally are getting a little bit of rain. That's usually how this thing goes, is months of dry, humid, well actually humid air and heat, and then all of a sudden, boom, we get a thunderstorm out of the blue. So it's kind of nice. I had these guys out there in their outdoor chicken pen, and I had to bring them in, and then we got these guys here. The duck does not like water. Who here has ever had a duck that doesn't like water? I got one. Chicken don't like the water. The other one's kind of wandering around out there. But yeah, our first little monsoon rain. We're catching a little rainwater. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes into this overflow pipe once the barrel's full. It doesn't take nothing to fill that barrel up either. It goes out here to this little backflush hose. That goes all the way, I'm gonna walk out here, all the way out here into some of my fruit tree orchard. Pretty cool deal. Let's go look at my other rain harvesting thing real quick. It's starting to slow down already. Yeah, there's our storm up there. Looks good. That duck is having a heyday. Let's go take a look over here. So more or less what I have is a gutter on the roof of my house. There we go. Yeah. Got a gutter on the roof of my house. It comes down through this pipe right here along the fence. Goes down the fence and then comes out here. And of course there's a big old aloe vera plant. I got kind of a rock splash pad here. And somewhere in there, let's see, there it is. We got some water coming out. This does my other little fruit tree orchard on this side of the yard. But when it rains, it does a really effective job of actually watering this tree, this bush, that tree, and some of this tree a little bit. Maybe one day I'll do a little video on how that whole deal works. Looks like it's slowing down a little bit. But yeah, nice little monsoon storm in September. We'll take it. Thanks for watching, and keep on watching. All right, here we go. Round 2, coming down hard. Yeah, thunder and lightning. It takes a little while for that thing to get going real good, but I guarantee you it's going to be flowing, man. And this is monsoon. This is really fun stuff. It can be very dangerous too. Stay out of the marshes. Lightning storm. Don't be running around with golf clubs on a golf course in the middle of these things. But here we go. Round 2. Getting some more rain. We'll take it. It's great for the garden. It's great for everything. Had to pull these guys in again. There's some 2 chickens over there. There's a reason they're called chickens. And I think we all know why. They do not like the rain. Look at here. This thing's really flowing now. I got to get a better shot of the other rainwater harvesting thing I have on my side of my house. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But more or less, this is what happens, man. The water just flowing through this thing, and it just goes, you know. And the easiest way, I'm going to do some rainwater harvesting videos. Now I think about it, this is the perfect place to do it. But I'm taking that water, I keep some of it in this 55 barrel drum. The rest of it goes out to the yard, and I store it in my ground. And that's how you do rainwater. That's the cheapest way to do rainwater. You can spend thousands of dollars, buy some really cool stuff, have some huge tanks sitting around. You can just send your overflows for your rainwater into your yard to places where you want it, as long as your yard has proper, I guess, sculpting, I would say. You have to have the dirt kind of right in your yard. And we're going to talk about that later. But yeah, look at it. This sucker is going again, man. Monsoon finally showed up. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching. Hi, hey, we're back. Look here. Round 3. We're going to get all of our monsoon rain in one evening around here. I already know. We're probably over 2 inches. I have to look at the rain gauge. But yeah, here it goes again, man. We're round 3. And it is dumping out here. Just dumping. But look right over there. Perfectly blue sky. It's been one of those days here. It's pretty cool, actually. I really enjoy these monsoon storms. But it's just funny how sometimes, you know, you'll go 3 months through the monsoon, you know, hoping for rain, blah, blah, nope, no rain. And then here we are, we're right at the end of it. It actually technically ends on the 30th of September, and this thing is flowing. Look at that rain barrel, man. That is a ton of water going out to your orchard. That's why I really like doing this type of water harvesting. But here we are, round 3. We'll see what keeps coming tonight.